Hello friends, we will play Roblox today. Hello friends, my name is Naman Jain and you are seeing my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let's start my video, and today I am going to tell you about how can we get gold in Roblox in Island the Secret Weapon. So let's start. Yes, my sister Nautiam Parivan is playing also with me. Let's take a look of my island. I'm not so rich, but yes, I am. I have 8 to 9 vending machines, we can say. Vending machine is also very useful. I can earn many coins from it. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, मेरे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, यहाँ तक कि ग्लाइडेड स्टील हैमर भी है मेरे पास. और अब मैं अपनी सिस्टर को आयरन पिकेक्स दूंगा बिकॉज ही इज़ अ न्यू प्लेयर बट प्लेज वेरी गुड. आयरन पिकेक्स मैं दे चुका हूँ, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं. Yes, see this, my wheat farm and my berry farm. It looks very big. You can see. And by this berry farm, I can earn many berries. And I am selling the berries also, and it is very useful for healing at the Slime Island, Buffalkar Island. Yes, last one berry seed I am putting here. Yes, it is now put it. I am taking berries. After that I will tell you how can we get gold in it. Now I am going to get gold. My sister is also with me. We will find all the things too for me and my sister. Let's go to the Slime Island. Now I will tell you how to get Buffalkar Island key that is used to go to the next transportal. Now my sister is also needed one Buffalkar Island key, me too. This is iron bar X by which I am killing them. You can see it's useful, but glided steel hammer is very useful than it. Oh shit, my HP is going low. But I am having many berries. I will heal me with a green slime ball. Green slime ball can be sold at Adventure Man, which is nearby the Slime Island. Yeah, I got one Buffalkar Island key, but I need one more for my sister, not Yampari one. There is a big sea in which aquamarine shard is formed, but it is sold in many coins. And all of you, me too, needed that aquamarine shard because it is used to make aquamarine sword, and aquamarine sword is very useful for killing them. सबसे पहले मारने के लिए हमें मिलता है स्वॉर्ड, फिर मिलता है आयरन वॉर एक्स, देन aquamarine sword, then glided steel hammer. That is very useful, glided steel hammer. My HP gone low. Oh shit. But I have many berries. Not Yampari. I am finding. Wait. A recap also needed. I'm again healing myself. I'm giving some berries to Naughty Ampari, my sister. Some berries. Green sticky gear. It is very useful for making vending machines, etc. etc. But it's very useful. It can be sold in 5 to 10,000 approximately. And as I have told you that green slime ball, pink slime ball, blue slime ball, they all can be sold at the Adventure Man that is near the Slime Island. Island invites is also very useful because by island invite we can sell or buy things with each other, with my friends. One more green slime ball, two more green slime ball. I'm just partying, dropping berries. I need one more Buffalkar Island key. Yay, I got it. I'm dropping one for my sister. Let's go to the Buffalkar Island. I take out my iron pickaxe, my sister also, and then we can go to get gold. Please see it carefully. How can we get gold in Island the secret weapon? Here Naughty Ampari will mine, my sister, and here or in this island, full island, we can get gold. I will show you how can. In 2 to 3 minutes we can get 2 to 3 gold ore, and we can convert gold ore into the gold bars by using industrial smelter. It's very costly, but it can be crafted by using by the table tier 3. It needs pink sticky gear for making industrial smelter, by which we can convert the gold ore into gold. I'm getting only gold and coal and iron ore. I need gold. Yes, I got. In this one gold stone, we can earn 3 gold ore. One more island invite. And there is a Buffalkar, and if we kill Buffalkar, we can it is rare to find one Buffalkar crystal in it, by which we can make a glided steel hammer. I will kill him in some time. I will kill it and will show you. And you can see my inventory. I've got 4 gold ore. फ्रेंड्स, देख रहे हैं आप? कैसा लग रहा है आपको? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? इट्स वेरी इजी. I've got one more gold ore. 3, always 3. Iron ore can be also converted into the iron bars by using industrial smelters. One more island in white. And by killing that buffalo curse, I got one more gold ore. By killing them buffalo curse, we can also get the wizard island key. I got one crystallized gold also. It can be sold in 5 to 6 lakh. One more gold. Yes. Rest of 2 gold ore got by my sister, Naughty Ampari. Iron ore. Friends, in this island only we can get gold, and the wizard island in the wizard island we can also get gold. Yeah, I got one more gold. Naughty Ampari also got gold. One more island in white. Now I get coal. Iron ore. Yes, iron ore. One more iron ore. And their Naughty Ampari is also doing very hard. Iron ore, iron ore. Everywhere iron ore, iron ore. One more iron ore. I'm thinking to kill the buffalo curse. Can we go, friends?
Yes.
Yes. You have told me, then I am got buffalo curse. But I am using iron war axe. We can only get the gold or wizard island key from buffalo curse when I have aquamarine sword. That is very useful to kill buffalo curse. I got one more gold. Yes, I am telling that by using the aquamarine sword and by using glided steel hammer, we can kill them and we can get wizard island key, gold or iron ore definitely in them. But by killing them with the iron war axe, we can't. You have seen that there is a teleporter there by which we can go to the wizard island. Here it is one more gold. One more gold. Yes. I got one more gold. Not jump but you also come. Okay. Well done. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं आयरन वॉर एक्स से आपको दिखा रहा हूँ मारकर, पर वो उनसे मुझे कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है। अगर आप भी उन्हें आयरन वॉर एक्स से मारेंगे तो आपको भी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, पर अगर आप ग्लाइडेड स्टील हैमर या फिर एक्वामरीन स्वॉर्ड यूज करेंगे तो आपको डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा. But aquamarine sword and glided steel hammer is very costly. I have two aquamarine swords, but yesterday they both sold out on my vending machines. But I get 10 lakh for each. And I have two glided steel hammer also, but my one glided steel hammer sold out. One is in my vending machine now also, and it has been sold out for 30 lakh. I'm killing buffalkers again. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं आपको अपने आइलैंड पे ले आया हूँ. I've got 17 gold ore, sorry, and one crystallized gold. And I will kept in my vending machine this dry gold. I'm unable to find anything. Let's take again a look of my island. See this, I have many trellis. See my face, I am very looking good. Now I am going to put one crystallized gold in it. Done. I will show you my view.